Pineapple juice and cucumber to clean the colon in 7 days and help you lose weight. Pineapple, Ananas communis, is an incredibly delicious and healthy tropical fruit. It originated in South America, where early European explorers named it after its resemblance to a pine cone. This popular fruit is packed with nutrients, antioxidants and other helpful compounds, such as enzymes that can fight inflammation and disease. Pineapple and its compounds have been linked to many health benefits, including aiding digestion, boosting immunity and speeding up recovery from surgery, among others. Health benefits of pineapple. 1. Loaded with nutrients. Pineapples are packed with a variety of vitamins and minerals. They are especially rich in vitamin C and manganese. 2. Contains disease-fighting antioxidants. Pineapples are a good source of antioxidants, which may reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, diabetes and certain cancers. Many of the antioxidants in pineapple are bound, so they may have longer-lasting effects. 3. Its enzymes can ease digestion. Pineapples contain bromelain, a group of digestive enzymes that breaks down proteins. This may aid digestion, especially in those with pancreatic insufficiency. 4. May help reduce the risk of cancer. Pineapple contains compounds that reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, both of which are linked to cancer. One of these compounds is the enzyme bromelain, which may stimulate cell death in certain cancer cells and aid white blood cell function. 5. May boost immunity and suppress inflammation. Pineapples have anti-inflammatory properties that may boost the immune system. 6. May ease symptoms of arthritis. The anti-inflammatory properties of pineapple may provide short-term symptom relief for people with common types of arthritis. 7. May speed recovery after surgery or strenuous exercise. The bromelain in pineapples may reduce the inflammation, swelling, bruising and pain that occurs after surgery. Bromelain's anti-inflammatory properties may also aid recovery after strenuous exercise by reducing tissue inflammation. 8. Delicious and easy to add to the diet. Pineapples are delicious, accessible and easy to add to the diet. The accumulation of toxins we are constantly being exposed to nowadays via our food, chemicals, pollution, and stress, can lead to various health issues since it makes us prone to numerous diseases. Therefore, we can significantly improve the function of the entire body and prevent such health problems if we detoxify the colon and cleanse the intestines. The excess waste and toxic buildup in the colon can cause numerous unpleasant symptoms, so when cleansed, one feels lighter, the digestion is improved, and the appetite is suppressed. Raw fruit and vegetable juices are rich in elements that cleanse the colon, such as fiber, phytochemicals, beneficial plant chemicals, and natural sugars that act as laxatives, like sorbitol and fructose. People who conduct colon cleanses claim that they offer the following benefits: improved liver function, boosted immune system, increased energy, detoxification, reduced risk of colon cancer, improved mood, weight loss, relieved bloating, cramps, and gas. The following colon cleansing drink will help you eliminate any toxins and lose extra pounds. Ingredients: half cucumber, a slice of pineapple, 1 orange juiced, an apple, green or red, half aloe vera leaf. Instructions: rinse the cucumber, slice it, and repeat the same with the apple. Then, divide the aloe vera leaf in two, and squeeze the gel from one of the halves. Mix all the ingredients in the blender, add a glass of water and the orange juice, and drink this beverage twice daily, in the morning, on an empty stomach, and in the afternoon. Make sure you also at least 8 glasses of water during the day. After a week, you will feel much better and you will also lose weight. The improvements will amaze you.